Dump a NumPy array into a CSV file. How do I dump a NumPy array into a CSV file in a human-readable format?
NumPy.saved saves an array to a text file.
Use the pandas library's dataframe.to_CSV. It does take some extra memory, but it's very fast and easy to use. If you don't want a header or index, use
toFile is a convenient function to do this. The man page has some useful notes. This is a convenience function for quick storage of array data. Information on endianness and precision is lost, so this method is not a good choice for files intended to archive data or transport data between machines with different endianness. Some of these problems can be overcome by outputting the data as text files, at the expense of speed and file size. Note: this function does not produce multi-line CSV files, it saves everything to one line.
As already discussed, the best way to dump the array into a CSV file is by using .saved method. However, there are certain things we should know to do it properly. For example, if you have a NumPy array with type equals np.in32 as and want to save using saved as, it will store the data in floating point exponential format as. You will have to change the formatting by using a parameter called fmt as to store data in its original format, saving data in compressed GZ format. Also, saved can be used for storing data in .gz compressed format, which might be useful while transferring data over network. We just need to change the extension of the file as .gz and NumPy will take care of everything automatically. Hope it helps.
Writing record arrays as CSV files with headers requires a bit more work. This example reads from a CSV file, example.csv, and writes its contents to another CSV file, out.csv. Note that the above example cannot handle values which are strings with commas. To always enclose non-numeric values within quotes, use the CSV built-in module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.